Go.
Good day, everyone. I am John Paul Pesta, and today I will discuss about electrical transformer. Transformer are very important electrical device as in the power systems and different electrical applications. In this report, we will learn their meaning, construction, types, application, advantage, and disadvantages. A transformer is a device that transfers electrical power from one circuit to another. It uses electromagnetic induction to either raise or lower voltage. Transformers are very useful in making electricity transmission more efficient and safe. Construction of transformer. The operation of a transformer is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When electricity flows through a coil, it creates a magnetic field that produces voltage in another coil. The main parts of transformer are the iron core, the primary winding, and the secondary winding. There are several kinds of transformers used in electrical applications. These are the step-up transformer, step-down transformer, isolation transformer, auto transformer, three-phase transformer, and instrument transformer. Each transformer has a different purpose depending on where it is used. A step-up transformer increases voltage and is commonly used in power plant for long-distance transmission. Its advantage is reducing energy loss, while a disadvantage is the need for better insulation due to high voltage. On the other hand, a step-down transformer decreases voltage for household appliances and electrical devices. Its advantage is providing safer voltage but is not suitable for transmitting electricity over long distances. An isolation transformer is mainly used for protection and safety in hospital and electronic equipment. It helps prevent electric shock, but it's more expensive than regular transformers. Meanwhile, an auto transformer is used in motor starters and voltage control systems. It is smaller and more efficient, but it does not provide full electrical isolation. A three-phase transformer is commonly used in industries because it can handle heavy electrical loads efficiently. However, it is more expensive and difficult to maintain. An instrument transformer is used to safely measure high voltage and current. It protects electrical measuring devices, although incorrect calibration may affect accuracy. To include transformers are essentially devices in electrical system because they help manage voltage and transfer electrical energy efficiently. Different transformers have different function and application depending on their purpose. And that's all. Thank you. And that ends of my report.